So looking here at the Bertram 28 project, we're gonna go over. There's been a few changes since the last time I did any filming on the boat. So I'm just gonna go over a few of the things that have changed. So here we did some tabbing on the fuel tank. So the fuel tank, they had done a bit of a shoddy job when they had glasses tank in, to the point that we thought that this tank was rotting. But when we opened it up, it turned out to be a very new tank and in very good condition. So we're actually going to keep this aluminum tank. What they did is they cut the top off of the previous fiberglass fuel tank. They custom built this aluminum tank that looks to be about 3/8 of an inch in thickness. But then they didn't sand the tank down, or they didn't use the right material to glass it, and they just did some shoddy glass work from the side of the tank over the fuel tank, and it wasn't adhering to anything. It was just a big mess. So we took all of that off, cleaned everything up, did the tabbing ourselves, and as well as in the engine room, we fixed the engine beds. We fully glassed them in, as well as the inner beds. Now we're going to sand everything down and prep for a little bit more paint. We painted the inside, so took all the electrical cables down to make sure that we didn't get any paint on any of that. Now we have it back up, so we can start painting in this area here. Alright, so this was the starter on my starboard motor. I'm sorry, port motor. Just took it out over here. It was a bit more complicated due to some routing, but I'm gonna say that I think that I found the problem. So, has some water in the motor. So I had the covers off for a few days, and I guess that was just enough time to get the motor locked up. Yeah, right in my bag. Yeah, clear. Yeah. Excuse you.
Now adjust the minimum speed. No, ahí. Ahí. Now put it in forward. Put it in forward. Put the transmission in forward. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We're in reverse.
Driving.